Good morning, it's the cracking time. Welcome to Vlogmas day, whatever the Holiday Cup cheers, yay!
Merry Christmas!
Hi, hey, hello. Good morning, folks, friends, foes, lovers, etc. I need to drink this. Ooh, my hair is looking tasty. That was gross. Oh, I don't like that. Who am I at this hour? Hi, I need to wash the cream off my forehead, but and also the rest of my face. But yeah, I literally just woke up. I need to get ready because I'm gonna go into a job for a couple hours this morning. It shouldn't be anything too exciting, fingers crossed. Today is kind of all up in the air because as of right now, I have to work this morning and then I think I'm gonna come home and actually like get a little hotter. A little hotter, just like a little hotter than this though, not like too much. Then the world would just like implode into itself. And then what's on my to-do list? Oh, I need to stop by the store and get us, yes, my makeup. I use like a powder foundation. I have used the same one. I'm pretty sure every Vlogmas I have to buy more. Like I have used the same exact foundation legitimately years. Like this is probably the longest relationship I've ever had, including with my parents. Like but fortunately they sell it at a couple places around Portland, so I don't have to wait to get it online. But the problem is like the one place that I usually get it from, they're like closed half the week. They literally were closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so I've kind of just been living life, but I'm like, y'all, today I would like to leave my house and look like a human. So we're gonna pick that up, come back, get a little, como se dice, beautiful. And then I think we're gonna go to Savi's Island. We're gonna see though. I'm not completely sure what we're gonna do, but I don't even know what the weather is. I just have like had a feeling. I'm like, I just feel like being, oh yeah, see? Weather's gonna be nice today, dude. I knew it. I just like felt it in my bones. Look at that. Look at that, sunny and 40 freaking 5. You can't see nothing because technology hates me, but oh, it's gonna be cute. I was just like, today seems like a nice day to like be out and about. So I think we might just go like trek around, do some nature stuff. But I do have to finish drinking this coffee so that I can get going. So I think I'm going to do that, and instead we'll just experience the day instead of me just telling you about it. Okay, cheers. I'm home and eating the same thing I've eaten. So really, this is for me, dude. For me. You have food out at all times. Little dog, you and I gotta go get a foundation. Agreed. Do you want to go in the bed? What are you doing? Let's go. You're coming. Yeah, come on. I have never encountered a slower moving animal than you. Why do you have to sniff so? Here we get the good stuff. Hi, hey, hello. I feel like I have greeted you 15 times and it's only 11:30. Hello, folks. I am in a little bit of a rush as usual, but I actually am like perfectly on time. Hello, I picked up my powder. Unfortunately for me, I don't know where I put it. Hold on. Unfortunately for me, they were out of the color that I wanted and usually get. And I had called a different place yesterday that is the only other place that carries this here, and they were also out of it. And I was like, well, this place is like closer to my house. I'll just get it tomorrow and hope that they have it. I filled the thing out online. And they said that they had it online, and that's what I ordered it for. But I like felt in my soul, I was like, they aren't going to. And then I got there and then they didn't. And I was like, it's fine. I'll just get the next color up and just go all the way down my neck. The thing is that I like about this is it's like a powder foundation. I've shown this in literally everything because again, I've done this a million times. But, okay, that's not insane, at least in my mirror. I don't know about this you find Canon, whatever you are. But, the thing that I like about this company is it's like all natural, but I'm like, it's such a good powder foundation. Like, I feel like it's like just the perfect amount of natural, but also coverage for me, if that makes sense. So, and it's not full of like trash ingredients, and it doesn't break my skin out, which is the biggest thing. But also, they have so many color options, and the problem that I have, and I'm sure I've spoken about this, but hi! The problem that I have with like color matching is this is gonna sound so obnoxious, and I understand it. I'm aware that this is an obnoxious sentence that is about to come out of my mouth, but it's my reality. My skin has olive undertones to it. My mother has very olive undertones. We tan if we go outside. The rest of my family, they're doomed. They are so cool toned. The problem is, sorry, I got a peel and like the other day, which you saw, hopefully, like my videos, but my skin is peeling and I'm like, oh crap. Ooh, 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 ooh. She asked me, she was like, are you okay if I do 3? And I was like, dude, I don't care if it peels. And now I'm here like, oh my god, what have I done? Oh, well. If she looks crusty and dusty, she looks crusty and dusty. What is anybody gonna do about it? Deal. That's what they're gonna do. Anyways, the reason why I like this powder is in the winter when I'm pale, I get it in olive 0 because then it still has the correct undertones that I'm looking for, but it's as pale as I need it to be. Unfortunately, they didn't have 0, but they did have 1, and it's fine. She was like, we can order it or la la la. Like, she was trying to be very nice about it, which I appreciated. And I was like, it's cool, just give me what you got. I don't really care. Which, like, is probably not my greatest quality because I end up regretting things a lot later, but I'm like, whatever. Life goes on. I've made it this far, you know what I mean? Wow, look at this little Pendleton ad that I basically am. He is, oh, gotta get the lipstick off the teeth. My constant life struggle. Anyways, hi, I've got my Christmas earrings in. I matched my lipstick because, have you met me? I'm wearing this is from Target, the shirt that I got the other day. And I'm like not entirely sure what we're doing. So I was like, she's ready to hike, but she's also ready to be warm and in public. And then I just have little tiny warm socks on and plenty of band-aids for my blisters. So I'm gonna wear that with these little sperries that I have as a precaution. And we're gonna slap on my giant leopard coat because when in doubt, cover yourself in leopard. In my bag of, hi, I don't know what's happening today. I'm gonna have my phone. Yeah, of course I need a little lipstick update. I have a card game, some gloves, my wallet, a water bottle, and somewhere in here is a canned margarita. Just in case. Also, if you've never had these, they are so good. I've never tried the blueberry one yet because I bought them in every flavor in summer and I just haven't actually gotten through drinking them. I just really don't drink that much. I'm a social drinker, but I was like, they're so good and they're like 10.5% and they just taste like pop, dude. Just saying, you can drink on the beach. No one knows. It's for everybody. We'll see. If I turn it up, can you hear the sound? Don't hit yourself in the face. Just give me a shout. Hi, hey, hello. I think you saw. Went on a cute little walk by the water. Was a nice time. Got some exercise in. Now I'm gonna go get some food because I'm starving. So Ira and I are gonna go drop off some like boxes or something for him really quick, and then we're gonna go have some nourishment, because I don't really know what we're eating. I was gonna say where we were gonna go, but I have just realized I don't actually know, but I'll see you there. Well, it's very sunny. The sun is really ruining my shot, but look at this bright Peter. I'm so excited. We got some pastry, we got the macaroni, we got the fries, we got the iced Turkish coffee, we got the hot Turkish coffee, we got lentil soup, which I forgot that I ordered because that's how much stuff that we got. Hello, it's me, tired as I don't even know what I'm saying. It's that time of the day where I'm about to pass out aggressively. I took a little bath, did a little relaxing, chillaxing. You know the drill. You've seen it happen. I am just so physically tired. I have to get all this makeup off my face. So I'm gonna go, oh my god, sorry. I am so tired and I feel like there's lipstick all over my chin. She tries. Anyways, I'm gonna dump some leave-in conditioner in my hair, remove all this makeup, and float off to bed. So honestly, I recommend you do the same. Pop in a leave-in conditioner. Did I already say that? I don't know. Truly, I feel like I'm living in a fever dream right now. Go do that and take some vitamins. And I know that I've already told you to take some vitamins, but I feel like, again, we should probably do it again. This is the last time I'll pull this card, but I think I need to go take some vitamins because I'm like, I'm getting real tired. And I got a lot of shows coming up, so we gotta make sure that we are healthy and ready to go for those. So anyways, thank you all for being here. Oh, I meant to say, I don't know if any of you cared, but if any of you were hanging on the cliffhanger of wondering if my friend liked my gift or not, he did. So again, I'm just saying, I don't know. I wasn't actually really concerned with him. I don't know. Thinking it was weird, like him specifically, but I just get nervous. I don't know. Sometimes I'm just like, am I insane? Is this too much? Like, do I understand the rules of social culture? I don't know. But again, like I said this earlier, but I'll say it again. The people that are meant for you will be meant for you, and that's that. So anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep, but in case you were wondering, he liked it a lot, and I don't know, I think it's a cool idea, so. Steal the idea if it's something that interests you, or keep it in the back of your brain for somebody in the future. Anyways, go do those things. I'm gonna go pass out now. Good night. I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.